let's consider a function f of x is differentiable in an open interval and is not constant. So in this example, we're going to be using f of x is equal to x cubed minus x. And first of all, we start by plotting the graph of the function. And then to find out if the function is increasing or decreasing, we want to find the first derivative of it, which is here. And to see its increase and decrease, we can start putting tangent lines. And then from that, we can see that the slope of the tangent line is decreasing gradually until it hits 0 here. And in this interval here, it's slowly decreasing. Here it starts a bit it's not as much decreasing, excuse me. And then from this point, we can see that it continues increasing, the tangent line slopes. So if we take the graph here, we can see its increase and decrease. As it's going here, it's still positive, showing us that it's increasing. And then from this point here, it's decreasing all the way until here. So in this interval, which you can see also here because it's negative on the graph. And then from this point, which corresponds to here, it's increasing. So to find out if it's concave up or concave down, then we have to take the derivative of this function, which is the second derivative, which is there. And it will show us that in this point here, that it's going to be concave down because it is negative. And then from this point here, where it changes, it's going to be concave up. And this point that we have here is called the inflection point, which shows us the change in how the graph behaves.